If you want to use Apple Keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, we need to go to the Play Store and we need to download an app that can give us the iPhone or Apple keyboard, or at least a one that looks like it. So we're gonna use Green Apple Keyboard. This is an app that I have used before and it does the job pretty well. So let's install it. And I'm gonna also show you how to set it up so that you can use it all the time. So let's press open. First we need to press enable in settings. So let's go over here and tap on Green Apple Keyboard. Let's go back. Let's choose switch input methods, and here we need to select English with the Green Apple Keyboard, and then we can press finished. We have some additional settings that we can go through over here, but I'm gonna skip that for now. Feel free to make some changes if needed. And now if I open, let's say, the Messages app, I have a keyboard that looks like the same from iPhone or Apple devices. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!